Hello guys, now we are going to discuss a question named maximum distance. This question has been taken from InterviewBit and it has been asked in various companies like Google, Amazon and Microsoft. So in this question we have been given an array A of integers and we have to find the maximum difference between their indices subjected to the constraint that A of I should be less than or equal to A of j. Now if there is no solution possible in such cases we have to return -1. So let us understand this problem statement better with the help of this example. So array A given to us is 3, 5, 4 and 2. Now let us mark their indices. Indices are 0, 1, 2 and 3. First, the brute force approach or the naive approach for solving this problem could be to consider all the valid pairs I, j present in this array. By saying I, j or by saying valid pairs I, j, I mean that A of I should be less than or equal to aj. Now we are going to consider every possible I, that is for I equal to 0, for I equal to 1, for I equal to 2 and for I equal to 3. We are going to consider every I and for every I we are going to form every pair possible such that A of I is less than or equal to A of j. So now let us quickly form all the pairs. So when we will consider our I to be 0, the first pair that we could form is 0, 0 because 3 is equal to 3. Now we have to find all the elements present in this array which are greater than 3. So the pairs that we could form are 0, 1 and 0, 2. Now when we will consider this as our I, this index 1 as our I, first pair that we could form is 1, 1. Now we have to find all the elements present in this array which are greater than 5, and as there is no element present in this array which is greater than 5, so the only pair possible for I equal to 1 is this. Now our I is this index 2. So first possible pair could be 2, 2. Now second possible pair could be 2, 1. Now for I equal to 3, first possible pair is obviously 3, 3, and all of these values are greater than 2, so the valid pairs could be 3, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 0. Now let us find the maximum of j minus I. You can clearly see that the pair which will yield maximum j minus I would be this pair 2 minus 0, which is 2. Also you can see that all of these indexes where j is less than I are useless to us because they will yield a negative value. And for that particular I, that pair I would give us the maximum answer. So we need not consider those indexes or those j which are less than I. So we can discard this, and our answer came out to be this pair 0, 2, and our answer came out to be 2. So you can verify it here. So now let us discuss the time complexity of this approach. The time complexity of this approach is obviously O of n square, because we are using two loops to iterate over this array. One is for I and second is for j. Let us discuss whether we can reduce the time complexity for solving this problem to O of n log n or O of n. So let us take this test case. This is our array A, and which is 2, 7, 13, 4, 1, 3, 10, 8 and 11, and their indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Size of this array is 9. So the first thing that we were doing was, for every element in this array we were finding all the elements which are greater than the element that we have taken into consideration. So the better way for doing that could be to sort this array in ascending order. Sort in ascending order. So for every particular element that we are considering, that is ith element, all the elements which are present at the right of this element are greater than or equal to this element. So first optimization could be this. So let us sort this array. So after sorting, our array becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 13, and their indices were index of 1 was 4, index of 2 was 0, index of 3 was 5, index of 4 was 3, 7 was 1, for 8 it was 7, for 10 it was 6, for 11 it was 8, and for 13 it was 2. Now these were the original indexes of these elements. Now if you make a deeper look at it, you can see that now our problem has reduced to just find the uh, maximum difference out of any two elements of out of this array, because we have fulfilled the constraint, that is ARR of I should be less than or equal to ARR of j. We have fulfilled this constraint. Now in this array we just need to find the maximum difference out of any two elements of this array. So it is quite a famous and an easy problem. So let us see how we can do that. So we will take a variable minimum and we will initialize it with int max. Now we are going to iterate over our array. So for I equals 0 to n minus 1. Now for every element that we are visiting, so let us name this array as ind. So we will also take a variable answer which will store the maximum difference possible in our array. So let this value be equal to 0 for now. So first we are going to update this minimum value, or we are going to compare this minimum variable with our ind of I. So our minimum would be minimum of ind comma minimum. Now what we are going to do is we are going to update our answer variable, which is max of answer comma current element at which we are standing, ind I minus minimum. So this is the simple approach for solving this problem, and after we came out of this loop we are going to simply return this variable answer. So guys, we have solved this problem. So now let us discuss the time complexity that we have achieved. So the time complexity for sorting this array was n log n, and after that for finding our answer we did an iteration. So overall complexity of our problem was O of n log n, and uh, space complexity of our approach was O of n to form this index array. So this solution is quite acceptable. If you find anything in this explanation unclear, you can ask your doubts in our comment section. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and like, share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.